Okay, we got the three different vehicles of the Island Safari at the moment. For many years, our fleet consisted only of Land Rover Defenders, which mainly hold 10 people in the back. Maybe one or two of them hold 8. And then we recently got the Land Cruiser here, the Toyota Land Cruiser. They are probably just as good, maybe better, but definitely cheaper to maintain and less headache to maintain. So this is probably the future buy. They still are very expensive, no, don't get it twisted, but they're more reliable, more solid. And now this is a direction the company went. This is a Hyundai H100 van, open back type of thing that they've converted. Now this one can seat 12. It's got double tires in the back. But yeah, they're more smaller tires. So this is the custom setup: speakers, seats, and seat belts, roll cage, roof. There's supposed to be a plastic covering, but it hasn't been installed yet. And this is the vehicle, looking nice, looking clean. Okay, so this is the new Island Safari vehicle. See 12 people in the back. This is the largest amount. So we fit in the back. It's a Hyundai. And this is the recent Toyota Land Cruiser build. This one holds 8 in the back. Roll cage, seat belt. We got a plastic covering for when it rains to protect the people in the back. So this one is looking good. And this is our newest experiment.